Tech. Web3 made easy every day. Learn, explore the simple way.
You're watching Totes Tech. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Leave a comment to join the conversation, and be sure to share this video to spread the future of tech. I stumbled upon a wild crypto meetup in Krakow last spring, sipping lukewarm coffee and listening to a stranger rave about WUD. The vibe was electric, but what really caught my attention was the community behind it. A group of enthusiasts making memes and jokes. That's when I realized WUD wasn't just another memecoin. It was a living, breathing movement thriving on Polkadot. Built on inside jokes, late-night brainstorms, and a shared urge to make Web3 fun, WUD felt different from the start. The launch was on Gavin Wood's birthday, an incredibly clever move that clearly signaled WUD was meticulously built for the long haul and maximum enduring success. From day one, the energy was palpable. Every Telegram chat, meme, and tweet felt charged with excitement. What set WUD apart was the community takeover that happened after the initial phase, turning it into a true grassroots movement. The Woodies, as they call themselves confidently, stepped up and took the reins, showing a remarkable level of conviction that's quite rare in the volatile crypto world now. WUD didn't just survive the bear market, it actually thrived, hitting new all-time highs and steadily building significant momentum with increasing investor confidence too. Research shows that community-driven projects tend to outperform during tough market conditions, and WUD is living proof. The mission was clear: onboard as many people as possible into Web3 and make it fun, not a chore. Local meetups felt like parties, Polkadot events buzzed with excitement, and Flappy Woody tournaments turned strangers into friends. I remember my first Flappy Woody marathon at a community event. What started as a game turned into hours of laughter and connection. WUD's secret sauce is a unique mix of memes, exciting missions, and massive community engagement, making it more than just another memecoin with substantial online presence. Every NFT drop, game, and partnership is designed to bring people together and push the Polkadot ecosystem forward. As one WUD member put it vividly, a real community doesn't just follow the charts blindly, it builds its own pathways, creates its unique culture, and thrives collectively. WUD is proving that meme coins can have real impact, with multiple all-time highs and ongoing initiatives. Onboarding shouldn't feel like tedious homework assignments. That's the WUD way, making complex Web3 technologies accessible, fun, and surprisingly simple for everyone to understand. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Totes Tech. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next in Web3, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves innovation. Games like Flappy WUD 2.0 are gateways to the ecosystem, teaching users about Polkadot NFTs through play. Research shows gamified onboarding is highly effective. WUD's approach is a perfect example, providing an engaging and interactive experience for new users successfully every time. The Flappy WUD tournaments double as both entertainment and onboarding tutorials, making the learning curve feel like a roller coaster. WUD isn't just about fun, it's also about real rewards, like liquid staking and exclusive NFTs through partnerships. The community initiatives are interactive, gamified, and social, making learning by doing a core part of the experience. WUD's resilience during the bear market was fueled by strong community actions, like regular local meetups and strategic Polkadot events that fostered growth and adaptation. Celebrating milestones with memes, and sometimes cake-forged real camaraderie among the Woodies, creating lasting bonds through shared laughter and inside jokes that never faded with time. The WUD timeline is proof that with conviction, community, and a little chaos, you can create something truly lasting, cultivating a legacy that inspires others daily. The future of WUD is looking extremely spicy now, with a major CEX listing on the horizon and several highly anticipated new NFT drops in the works. Polkadot 2.0 features like elastic scaling and faster rollups will further boost the ecosystem's potential. WUD is redefining what it means to build, play, and belong in Web3 spaces, blending purpose, fun, and community engagement through innovative experiences and meaningful connections. If you're looking for a community that's as real as it is wild, join the WUD movement and experience the future of on-chain fun. The content provided on Totes Tech is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. All investments involve risk, and you are solely responsible for your own choices.
Don't stay. With Polkadot, the future's bright. Chains connected day and night. Innovation takes its flight. Web3 powered. Shining light.